The Jamaica Olympic Association's Business Center is on track to be completed this year. Now, the Business Center is the first of its kind in this hemisphere.
Within another 2 to 3 months, the JOA Business Center should be opening its doors to its stakeholders. The center will consist of 2 conference centers, a restaurant, museum, and a health and wellness center. The venture is to help generate funding for the JOA.
So we wanted to ensure that we diversify the revenue streams outside of just from grant funding or IOC funding or what we call solidarity funding. And the building was one of the first avenues that we would have earmarked, not just to have it as a house. It's a business center, as the president indicated.
The budget to construct the center is over $250 million.
And we are happy to state that in partnership with Pan Am Sports and our internal funding, we were able to fund this building without the need of a loan or anything like that.
JOA President Christopher Samuda expressed how important it is to have a wellness center at this time.
And it is also a part of what we call the safeguarding policy as well, which not only deals with transgressors against persons, but it also deals with the emotional abuse in all sorts of forms. And we recognize that that sometimes is an undisclosed challenge of an athlete. And this wellness center is designed to not only give them an opportunity to speak to the professional, but also to have therapeutic exercises that will, of course, inure to the benefit of their performance.
According to Samuda, they are answering the calls of the athletes and their stakeholders.
We know, for instance, the challenges that face athletes on a day-to-day basis and also administrators and professionals. So it won't be designed exclusively for athletes, it will be for stakeholders. We understand the pressures of day-to-day life, whether it is in fact the economy, your personal economy, or your responsibilities outside of you in terms of family. And we'll be offering those professional services to our stakeholders. We are yet to work out the economy of it, because the fact of the matter it will be a cost to the Jamaica Olympic Association. But we realize that that is an imperative to any athlete in terms of his performance or her performance, the well-being, your state of mind.
The current offices of the JOA will also be operated out of the new center. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.